like a 3-hour drive. I scream, I cry, I come out and walk some other way because I nearly think a donkey alone for come up them party. But thank God we reached the final episode of DAVI'S first time. And guess what I'm going to do right now? Camping. Of course, you can see behind me the Blue Mountains. So you know, so I'm going to go way up a God back. Go set up tent and beer something. So, when you ready? I'm most excited about this. When you ready? I mean, you want tired? We walk like literally 20 seconds on my back. Like, underneath the send one JDF helicopter can make. I can't make it. God no. On the road to Zion. Isn't this be amazing? Like, I know my face not really show it, but look at it. It's breathtaking. I think we'll set up camp now because we're tired. But them so we must press along saints. Amen. My hair feel like it wash. I'm tired. Them can't get me to do this again also. Almost there, guys. Less than a minute. Whee! I'm gonna pop down. Bad. But guess what? Portland Gap we reach. It's a camping time now. We finally reach. And I'm about to set up camp, okay? So, step 1, set up the tent. Shari was of no help, like none, like the tent still up on the ground. Ranger love!
Hello.
Night Ranger, how are you?
Good night.
You can help me set up the tent here, please?
Sure.
That's it! I couldn't have done it without your Ranger love. And Shari. And GT. Alright, Latanya, take a look forward. But really, Ranger love. We're about to do some campfire style. So Ranger love is gonna show me how to build a campfire so that I can make some s'mores, a little cup of tea, some sausage.
Being a ranger entails a lot of things. We have mostly 5 main duties that we do. We do like enforcement, we do recreation and tourism like what we're doing now. We have people come up and hike and we make sure that they don't get lost, give them information. Most people come to just relax because, you know, a hectic week and they come out of the hustle and bustle of Kingston and then just come here to just relax and unwind.
Sooner in the morning, but right now, it's time for me to get some shut eye. Put on a little night see. Well, and a little night because a whole heap of layers and so. So, see you tomorrow, Ranger. Wake me up about midday. Come in like people wake me up early. I'm gonna do well with them someday.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Alright.
Night, night. Morning. I'm tired the same way. I pop down and the mattress a little bit hard. But it was an eventful night. I did have to get up 3 o'clock because the sausage never full my belly. So I had to snack a little bit. But all in all, it never so bad. And then, just as I reaching at the middle of the sleep, one donkey come right at the tent mouth and just a bray. It's like a Blue Mountain alarm clock. I'll take a 5 and come back. See? Alright, cool. After I wake up this morning, I drop back asleep. So now I have to bathe and get ready to go home. So come back in your cold like the water of food.
signing out from the Blue and Jonkra Mountains National Park, and also from the first season of DAVI'S First Time finally come to an end. I know you're sad to see me go, but you'll see me again.